How to highlight text in Adobe Acrobat. First, open your browser and then head to acrobat.adobe.com. Log in, then click Edit a PDF to upload the file you want to highlight. Once your PDF opens, look at the toolbar at the top for the comment icon. It's a little space bubble. Click it to reveal the commenting tools. In the toolbar, find the Highlight Text tool. It looks like a yellow highlighter pen. Click it and now you are ready to highlight. Now, click and drag over the text you want to highlight. It will turn a bright, eye-catching color, usually yellow. Want a different color? No problem. Click the highlighted text and you will see a Properties toolbar pop up. From there, you can change the highlight color. Bonus tip: you can highlight as many parts of the text as you need. There is no limit. Need to remove the highlight? Simply click on it and hit delete. And that's how you highlight text in Adobe Acrobat. Quick and easy. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.